Find the value of the missing length. In this case, we want to find the value of x here. Okay, so you got to be very careful with this one, right? It looks tempting to just make the ratio here, right? You're going to look at the corresponding sides, right? Say, oh, okay, 8, the ratio of this side to this side should equal the ratio of this side to this side, but this is actually incorrect. And the reason why is we see this little marking here, right? So these markings means that these two angles are the same measure, okay? Which means then that these triangles are essentially oriented the wrong way, right? So what you want to do when we're dealing with similar triangles is to make sure that you orient them so that the corresponding sides match up or line up. So what do we mean by that? Essentially, we're going to have to take this triangle, right, sort of flip it over, okay, and bring this angle down here, right? But by doing so, we're changing the side as well, right? So, I mean, this guy's not going to change. Okay, I'll just draw it again, though. Okay, we know that this is 6 and 8. We have that mark here, right? So let's do this. Let's flip this over and bring this guy down. Okay? And by doing so, okay, you notice that x is here, right? And this is 15. Okay? So all we've done is we've just sort of rearranged this, okay, so that the corresponding parts here, the corresponding sides line up. Okay? What is the ratio we make then? The ratio of 8 over x, or the ratio of this side to this side, equals the ratio of this side to this side. Okay? So you notice that it is, of course, different than what we did here, right? So don't just look at the diagram and just make the ratio right away. Okay? Make sure the sides or corresponding sides are oriented, okay, so that each one is in the correct position. Right, so here we can just cross multiply these, right? 6 times x is equal to 15 times 8, which is 120. And when we divide by 6, right, we get x is equal to 20. So that is going to be the value of this side here.